nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole. I ain't giving to them ass, I don't lend my body. Gotta be king status to get men my body. Gotta be king status to get in your body. Fuck yeah, cause a queen is what I embody.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Just realized I haven't done the look since Friday. Or was it Saturday? Saturday. Whatever, a long time ago. Anyway, in between that, it's been either some type of favorite 2018 video or a tag. So, decided to throw a look up in here, even though I'm going to be doing Face Chart Fridays tomorrow. This has nothing to do with Face Chart Fridays and everything to do with, I just felt like doing this look on camera. So I'm going to do it on camera. I'm going to be using these three palettes. So we have the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blood Sugar palette. I'm going to use two shades out of here. The Makeup Geek Mini MUA palette, I'm going to use one shade out of here. Then the Bretman Rock palette, I'm going to use two shades out of here. So, enough talking. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade in the Blood Sugar palette. Oh, I don't want to blind anyone. So, I'm going to be taking the shade. Oh, that fits perfectly. I don't want to blind anybody. This shade, Cake Mix, which is, oh, I'm going to hurt somebody's eyes. This shade right here. It's like that pinky brown shade. And just put that all on my lid real quick, real fast. Again, because I'm not trying to blind anybody, so I put an extra face mask over the mirror. Don't want to kill anyone. So the next shade I'm going to take is this shade here, which is Extraction. I love this shade. I'm going to take that and just put it over Cake Mix. So now, if you've watched my Project Pan video, clearly I have not gotten very far with completing this, but I did finish those. Well, not that one, but you get the picture. I'm going to take the shade that I mentioned that I really want to use, and I really like, Mars, and I'm going to put that basically like this. And of course, I've been practicing cut creases, half cut creases, whatever you want to call it. And so, yeah, that's going to be this look, and I'm going to basically put this all there and then cut it out to where I need it. But as I mentioned in that video before, it got wet, so we gotta scrape the top layer off. I was supposed to do this a while ago, so I'm gonna do it now. Yay! Cutting your crease is really an art, so shout out to all of you that do this all the time, because this took longer than I expected. And I mean, I've been practicing every day, but for some reason this took really long today, and I like it though. Looks kind of good. Going to go into the Bretman Rock palette, and the two colors I'm going to use from here are, first I'm going to apply this shade after I do this shade, She Got Money, because I really want to use it. So I'm going to be using this one on my favorite little packing brush, the Morphe M150, 156, 1 something, because the numbers are gone. Like, you can still see Morphe, but you can't. I think M15 and then part of a number. So I can't remember if it was the 156 or the 150. If you have this brush, then you know. If not, Does anyone else go through that problem where it's like one eye looks like brighter and more vibrant and perfect than the other? Because this eye is like, my left eye is like popping, and my right eye, I just, she okay, but I'm here to get it together. Like, they gotta be on the same level, but they're not on the same level. And that's fine, because my right eyebrow is popping and my left eyebrow is just, yeah. Anyway, now we're gonna go into the shade Mercy. Excuse my palette, I use this a lot. This shade right here. I'm gonna just like put it a little bit here, only because I want it to like pop, but not too much. Just a little bit. So I'm gonna take it on the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, because this is perfect for that, and it just right on top of Mars, which they go really well together. You can't see it now, but when I take pictures it'll show up. Why? Because I do this a lot. I like to put this shade on top of dark reds because it makes them look really pretty in my pictures. Too much, a little too much. Now, as always, I'm going to go off camera and do all of this and come back and finish this and this. So, yeah. So, clearly, I did everything off camera more than I thought I would. Sorry about that. Sorry about that again. The focus is the eyes anyway. I'm going to get back into the lip palette. I'm going to take that same shade that I used before. Got eyelash glue on my nail. Ew. Oh, it's completely covered. Lovely. I'm going to take the shade Mercy again and just put that on my lower lash line because it's really, 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 really pretty. And now for inner corner, I'm going to use the loose highlighter I got from Hello Gregory, which is his unicorn frosting highlight. I poured some into the top. Please don't fall out. Please don't fall out. And we're going to pop that in. And I'm using this one because it's a pink highlight, and I feel like because I used red for the most part, I should use a pinkish inner corner pop, but I didn't want to use a, didn't want to use an eyeshadow. I want to use this. For lips, I'm going to keep this whole dark mood going. I'm going to take the Bretman Rock Lippy Pencil in the shade Dukes and the Karuchi Brown Sugar lipstick in the shade Cinnamon. And yeah. And this is the finished look. I actually really like this. I didn't think I would like it as much as I like it. But cut creases are hard. Cut creases are hard. This is a baby cut crease though. Like the last two I did the past 2 days. So Tuesday and yesterday's cut crease were a lot like bolder and brighter. But I think it's because I also use like bright colors and this not so bright. But I like it. I'm starting to like this a lot. Oh god, I hope I don't become one of those people that does a cut crease every day. I don't think I have the time. Anyway, I also like this lipstick. This is my first time wearing this shade. I swatched it on the back of my hand before. Never put it on, but I like it, especially with the lip liner. It's cute. And cut creases are getting easier. Yay me. Anyway, that's it for this video. Like I said, tomorrow's Face Chart Friday, so there's that. If you follow me on Instagram, please be sure to look out for my poll because I have two. One was sent to me by Mia here. Oh, she sent it on Instagram. Mia's Virtual Vanity here on YouTube, but she sent it on Instagram. And then one of my nieces sent me another one, and I don't know which one to pick. So I have to do a poll again. The colors are very similar for both face charts, but it's different styles. So I'm gonna do a poll tonight. So yeah, please participate if you follow me on Instagram. If you do not, my information will be in the description box, and then you can follow me, or just go to my poll in my story and click chart 1 or chart 2. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.